So I think he would have something like this. You see how natural it looks this way, you see? So it's all cut in. We're just going to dry it off a little bit more. And then we're going to style it for you and you'll see the end product. You happy now?
I'm very happy. You can see the difference from when I came in today. Like,
Well, yeah, I don't think we got a video with you with no air on, but we didn't see with the old system on. But with lockdown, it had taken a bit of a punishment.
yeah.
But as you can see,
But it's still it was on, and it was still looking good.
yeah, I mean, we're going to colour it and we're going to put it away for you. So if you have any issues, we've got a spare one. But hope you're happy today. Got it all sorted, and hopefully you'll see him again soon, and then you'll all be following him on
10 years younger.
Tinder and all that. Right, say bye.
Thank you. Bye.